2023 Transit Trail in a medium roof, blue mist color. For the trails, it comes stock with a body lift of about 2.5 inches. It's very similar to the Quigley Q-Lift. They have these kind of beefed up fender flares. It comes with the Transit Trail wheels and the Goodyear Wrangler Workhorse AT tire in a 245/75/16. So you get about 3 inches total of lift when you add the body lift that they add, which is similar to a differential drop, as well as the bigger tires from the standard trail. With the trail package, you also get these running boards. Again, the enhanced fender flares up front. You get these mud flaps. They've got kind of an interesting yellow signal situation going right in front of the side view mirrors. You get an updated Transit Trail front bumper and then a front grille as well. So that's about it for the Transit Trail. Also spec'd on this van are the fog lights, the Ford factory LEDs. And then what we add is we add AMA windows on both sides, a rigid scene light. We've got a Fiamma F45S awning up top, and that's attached to a Flatline Vanco slimline rack. And on top of that rack, we'll get some height here so you can kind of see the whole rack. We have our Zamp solar panels up top with 2 MaxAir fans. Another AMA window. Again, the running boards, factory that come with the trail. On the exterior here, we've got our shore power and our solar port if you want to do additional solar. Moving around the back, we've got a Flatline Vanco rear tire carrier. We spec all of our vans from Ford with the Class 4 hitch and the extended fuel tank. The orange from the Axis and the blue mist look pretty perfect together, I think anyway. And then wrapping around to the inside, this was a revolver build, and they did it all in bamboo, and it looks really nice. So the customers opted for all powder coated black interior trim. We have a stock lagoon table that mounts right here on the B-pillar. 2 swivel seats up front. Those are the factory swivels from Ford. This lagoon table mounts right here on the front of the kitchen galley. Bamboo throughout, looks really nice. It brightens everything up. 2 MaxAir fans. Going through the kitchen galley, we use locking Southco compression latches, Blum slides, soft close with full extension drawers, an NDLE refrigerator, 2 5-gallon water tanks. We've got some additional storage here, a Ruvati sink with integrated strainer. All of our window coverings are insulated and are made by Van Made Gear. They come for all the windows. The AMA windows slide open. They have screens as well that slide. Overhead cabinets with 4 cubbies. Lunacy lighting, dimmable, and touch. Everything we mount is on L-track. So this seat is not only movable, but it is removable as well. This trifold seat from Broad Arrow folds down into a bed about the size of a full. Moving over here to our control panel. Right above it is our pantry. And then we have an Espar heater, which is plumbed directly into the fuel tank. We have a full RedArc management system. So this is their Manager 30, which charges and controls not only alternator power, but also all of the shore power and solar as well. our safety, carbon monoxide, and propane gas detector. We have an inverter on here. Again, a RedArc inverter. It's a 2000 watt inverter, which will power this outlet up. And then this outlet down here, we use directly for shore power. So if you want to park and plug in, you don't have to run the inverter. Our 110 or 120 volt breakers. And then here's the exhaust port for the heater as well. We have two side cubbies here in the back. I'll show you those from the back. This is our upper bunk right here, stacked for storage mode. And so this pulls out when this lower seat is deployed into bed mode. And so you have about a 6 foot by 6.5 foot upper bunk up here. And then you have another full bed down here, which is about 52 inches wide and about 74 inches long. So quite a lot of space to be able to sleep quite a few people in here. All right, moving around the back. Lots of storage. So here you can see our L-track that we mount everything on. Now the L-track is actually reinforced underneath around all of the cross members. So there's no way this is going to pull out. And then we've got our corner cabinet here for extra storage. We've got a cargo light. Here are the two side cubbies, a little dark in there. And then of course our electrical. We're really proud of our electrical. Everything is marine grade. We crimp it, we heat shrink it, and we solder it. We torque all the fittings. We do full leak down tests and restart tests with everything. It is a very robust electrical system that we are proud of, and we love to show it off. I'll post up some individual pictures of what we do as far as the build of the electrical system so you can see all the little details. But for a battery, we've got a Battleborn 270 amp hour heated battery. And so the heat option is really important with lithium. If it gets below 32 degrees, it has problems charging. And so with the heated option, it has an internal heater that'll keep it warm. So when it is really cold, you come back from a day of skiing or whatever, the battery is nice and toasty, so you can immediately start charging it. And then of course we have our shut off switch as well. And that is about it for this build. Up top, I don't think we talked about the cushions. These are by a company called Roam Rest. They're based out of Portland as well. It's a multi-density foam, wickedly comfortable. For only being a 3-inch deep cushion, I sleep really well on those. So that is about it. So if you guys are interested, please reach out. You can get us at axisvehicles.com. We're here in Hood River, Oregon, and we do shop tours throughout the week if you want to come by and check it out. If you got any questions, please reach out. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a good night.